Welcome to 17th Jan 2023's pre-open analysis. Today Nifty is taking a bit of beating, and it is because of the 18,068 levels as the support, which was a support previously and now is a resistance. So we had spoken about 17,816 levels as a support. Now 18,068 was previously a support when it was above, and now it is acting as a resistance. Support and resistance is always a zone. Let me show you how to predict the support and resistance zones. So wherever the market has actually stood for about 3 or 4 times, when it is not able to go upwards or it takes support at that particular line, becomes a support or a resistance zone. Okay, so previously this was a level where the market had actually stood for quite a couple of times. Look at this candle. This actually started exactly from there, 18,131 levels. This also stopped at that point. It could not cross this level, and here also it could not go upwards of it. It was a positive candle. It took support at 18,068 levels, and then it went upwards towards 18,131 levels, but it could not cross that. That's a resistance zone as of now. Here we have some supports as well for this particular level. So 18,131 will be a very huge resistance for the market as of now, and 18,068 obviously is a great resistance, because yesterday we almost hit that particular level. However, we could not cross that particular level. As of now, there are a particular set of resistances and supports we have to take care of in order to Nifty going upwards on the northern territory. So Nifty is hit by the resistance at 18,000, 18,068 and 18,131 levels, and 18,159 levels. Those are the immediate resistances we have to actually take care of. Let me show you one more support and resistance levels so that we can actually show you a different perspective altogether. Look at the 20-day EMA. 20-day EMA is acting like a blanket of resistance. If we actually take it up, the 20-day EMA is at 18,063 levels, acting as a resistance all over from the levels of 18,500 levels. We are constantly bombarded by the 20-day EMA, which is a very great resistance for the market as of now. So that being said, that's also a resistance level. It is very near to this level of 18,068, which is a Fibonacci retracement resistance, and now it is at 18,063 where 20-day EMA is placed, and it constantly keeps on changing. However, 18,063 is a level of resistance you have to actually look for as well. So where are the supports as of now? So 17,816 levels, and the lower Bollinger Band is also a support, 17,680 levels, and the more lower Bollinger Band at 17,543, and the Fibonacci retracement at the support is 17,564 levels. Those are the levels of supports we have to actually look for. The 17,816 has been a darling of a support almost for about 8 sessions now, and we are yet testing those levels of support. Yes, more we test those levels of support, it will actually give up. It's just like hitting with a hammer at the same level. So more you hit, more it will break. So the support is yet holding, that is 17,816. So Nifty support today stands at 17,816 levels. So as of now, SGX Nifty is showing 17 points higher in the move for today. That's the 17th Jan 2023. It is quite possible that we may see that a bit of an upturn in the beginning, that is a gap up opening is possible in the beginning because of this SGX Nifty's positivity. However, let's see where it actually stands, if Nifty actually gives up in the beginning itself or it actually moves upwards. So where are the US markets stood? The Nasdaq has actually gone up by 81 points, 0.7% up, and Dow Jones was up by 112 points, that's a 0.3%. And this is the Japanese index. Japanese index Nikkei is actually giving 319 points, that is 1.24 points higher. So that being said, that's the greatest the market has actually gone to, that's the Japanese market Nikkei. And as of now, Nifty actually stands the level of support as a darling support, and it is pushing the market on a higher side as of now. Till the level of 17,816 is not broken, we will still be in the range of 17,816 to around 18,068 or to the levels of 18,200 levels. So those are the ranges where the Nifty's upper range at 18,200 and lower range at 17,816 is where we are currently placed. So if you are looking for grabbing the multi-baggers, I have given you the steps how to do that in this particular video. I will see you in that video where you can learn how to grab the multi-bagger stocks and also learn how to pick the multi-bagger stocks, and I have given my picks which I hold as of now, and you can see it in this video. I'll see you in this video here.